Friends and neighbors, mga kapwa ko Nuevo Vizcayano, meron po akong ihandog na awiting may pamagat na Paper Roses. At ito pong awiting ito ay sumikat nung ako po ay wala pa sa mundong ibabaw. So sa makatwid, ang awiting ito ay pumailang lang noong 1940s. Napakaganda pong awitin ito. At ewan ko lang kung sino pa makakarelate nito. Kung 1940s ito, malamang mga ano na sila, anong tawag doon, nasa 90s. At eto po konting ano lang po na tinahanap natin yung awitin na yan dahil napakaganda pong awitin ito na hindi pwedeng mapakinggan ng ating mga young generations ngayon. Ang nagpopularize nito ay wala na rin yung original singer. Pero ang nagpopularize po nito ay isang babae na ang pangalan ay Marie Osmond. So, ayun mga kaibigan. Pakinggan nyo po yung mga lyrics niya, napakaganda po. Napakaganda pong pakinggan. Sa mga lola, lolo, ito na po yung awiting Paper Roses. I realize the way your eyes deceive me with tender looks that I mistook for love. So take away the flowers that you gave me and send the kind that you remind me of. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red rose that's made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Mga kaibigan, friends and neighbors, mga kapwa ko Nuevo Vizcayano, sana po nagustuhan niyo po. Maraming pong salamat for watching.